Good morning, children. Welcome back to online social science classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Let us discuss some important questions from the chapter Climate. First one, define the term monsoon. The term monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mousim, means season. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. So, what is the meaning of monsoon? Monsoon means mousing. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. Next one, what is Mahavat? Okay, so in this chapter we studied about so many terms. For example, Mahavat, Kalbaisaki, Low, etc. First one, what is Mahavat? The total amount of winter rainfall is locally known as Mahavat. What is Mahavat? The total amount of winter rainfall locally known as Mahavat. What is Lu? These are strong, gusty, hot, dry winds blowing during the day over the north and northwestern India. What is Lu? The hot, dry winds blowing during the daytime over the north and northwestern India. Next one, what is Kal Baisakhi? Kal Baisakhi is a monsoon showers in West Bengal that occurs destruction in West Bengal. Okay, so what is Kal Baisakhi? Kal Baisakhi is a pre-monsoon showers in West Bengal. Next one, what are mango showers? Mango showers are the pre-monsoon showers taking place on the coast of Kerala and Karnataka. They help in early ripening of mangoes, so that they are called mango showers. Okay, so what are mango showers? Mango showers are the pre-monsoon showers that took place in Kerala and Karnataka coast. Since they help in early ripening of mangoes, so that they are called mango showers. Okay, next one, 3-mark question or 5-mark question will come. What are the 6 major controls of the climate of the world? 6 major controls of the climate of the world. First one, latitude. Due to the round shape of the earth, the amount of solar energy received varies according to the latitude. Okay, as a result, air temperature decreases from the equator. The temperature decreases from the equator towards the poles. Okay, next, altitude. As one moves up to the higher altitude, the temperature becomes less dense and temperature decreases. Therefore, the hills are cooler during summers. Next one, pressure and winds. Pressure and wind system of an area depend on the latitude and altitude of the place. Distance from the sea. If the region is close to the sea, it makes the temperature moderate, means that area experiences moderate type of climate. But if it is away from the sea, it experiences extreme weather condition. That means that places experience extreme hot or extreme cold. Next one, ocean currents. Ocean currents along with the onshore winds affect the climate of the coastal area. Next one, relief. High mountains act as a barriers for cold or hot winds. They may also cause precipitation if they lie in the path of rain-bearing winds. The leeward side, means the opposite side of the mountains, remains dry. Okay. So these are the 6 major controls of the climate of the world. Why is the monsoon considered a unifying bond? The monsoon of India is highly influenced by its flora and fauna, means natural vegetation and wildlife. The water for agricultural activities is provided by these monsoon winds. Most of the festivals in India that are related to agricultural cycle may be known by different names in different parts of the country, but their celebration is decided by the monsoon. The river valleys which carry this water also unite as a single river valley unit. So why the monsoon is considered a unifying bond? The monsoon of India is highly influenced by the natural vegetation and wildlife. The monsoon provides water that is used for agricultural activities. Okay, the water for agricultural activities is provided by these monsoon winds. Most of the Indian festivals that are related to the agricultural cycle may be known as different names in different parts of the country, but their celebration is decided by the monsoon. The river which carries this water also unites as a single river valley unit. Dear students, I hope you understood these questions very well. You have to study these questions properly. I have attached test questions. Attend the test paper without fail. Okay, read the textbook thoroughly. We can meet in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.